Hello! Welcome to Lesson 6 of our Learn Abacus at Home series. In this lesson, we'll be focusing on addition using the 5 complement. We've already learned simple addition and subtraction in the previous lessons. I expect your child has completed all the problems in Workbook 1 and 2, and is now ready to learn this new skill, addition and subtraction using the 5 complement. This concept is essential for working with the abacus, and mastering it is crucial for faster and more efficient calculations. However, I've noticed that many young children often get confused by the 5 complement at first. So, I'll take my time to explain it carefully, step by step, to ensure your child understands what's happening and can use the 5 complement method comfortably. Now, what is the 5 complement? The 5 complement refers to two numbers that add up to 5. For example, 1 and 4 make 5 together, and so do 2 and 3. Think of these as friends who work together to make 5. We'll be using these 5 complement pairs for both addition and subtraction, but for the next few lessons, we'll focus on how to use them in addition. Why do we need the 5 complement? Each column of the Japanese abacus has one upper bead, which represents 5, and 4 lower beads, which represent 1 each. Together, they total 9. Sometimes, when we want to add more beads in the lower section, there aren't enough beads left. But if the upper bead, which equals 5, hasn't been used yet, we can use it. However, when we use the upper bead, we also need to subtract the extra amount we borrowed. Let's look at an example. If you have 3 lower beads and want to add 2 more, you'll see there's only 1 lower bead available to add. So, we borrow from the upper bead, which represents 5. Since we only needed 2, we'll borrow 2 and subtract the extra 3 from the lower beads. We can find the excess by subtracting. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. We borrowed 5, but we only needed 2, so the remaining 3 is the excess. Or, if you remember that 2's friend is 3, because they make 5 together, you can simply subtract 3 without solving the equation. Let's try 4 plus 3 using the 5 complement. First, we add 4, but we can't add 3 because there are no lower beads left. Since the upper bead 5 is available, we borrow it. Now, how much is the excess? Since 3's friend is 2, the excess is 2. So, we subtract 2. Thus, the answer is 7. We've shown you how the 5 complement is used for addition with the 2 and 3 pair. Now, let's take a look at another pair, 1 and 4. You'll soon see that they can be solved in a similar manner as the 2 and 3 pair. Here's an addition problem, 4 plus 1. First, we add 4. Now, we want to add 1, but there are no lower beads left to add. Since the upper bead hasn't been used yet, we can borrow it. However, because we only need 1, we have to subtract the excess. To find the excess, we look for 1's friend, which is 4. So, we subtract 4. Thus, the answer is 5. Let's try another addition problem, 3 plus 4. First, we add 3. Now, we want to add 4, but there's only 1 lower bead left, so we can't add the full 4. The upper bead is available, so we borrow it and then subtract the excess. We know the excess is 1 because 4 and 1 are friends that make 5 together. When one number in the pair is in trouble, the friend comes along to help. So, we add 5 and subtract 1 from the 3. Therefore, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Many young children often wonder when they should consider using the 5 complement. We need to consider using the 5 complement friends when there aren't enough lower beads left to add the desired number, and the upper bead is available to help with the addition. Once you've determined that you need to use the 5 complement, follow these steps to complete the addition. First, add 5. Then, find the excess, determine how much extra was borrowed. You can do this by finding the friend of the number you want to add. Finally, subtract the excess. Remember who the friends are. Understanding the 5 complement pairs, like 1 and 4, or 2 and 3, is essential for quick and accurate calculations. These friends will help you navigate addition smoothly on the abacus. Once your child understands how to use the 5 complement for addition with the pairs, I encourage you to try Workbook 3, available on my Abacus tutorial website. It contains 60 problems specifically focused on addition using the 5 complement, which we've covered in this lesson. You can find the link to Workbook 3 in the description below. In the next video, we'll go through review sessions to practice the 5 complement skills using some problems from Workbook 3. Remember, mastering both the 5 complement method and the 10 complement method, which we'll cover later, is essential in Abacus learning. Please encourage your child to practice with as many problems as possible. Once they've completed the workbook, print it out again and repeat the exercises until the 5 complement method feels natural to them. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now to get notified when new videos are available. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.